Hello beautiful people, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox my last Look Fantastic box of the year. And I know I said the same in my previous Look Fantastic video, but this is the last one, okay? Because I don't know what happened. They did send me another one, and obviously they did charge me, like, hello, obviously they did charge me. And then I got in contact with them and I said, what is going on? I already cancelled my subscription last month. And they said they didn't got any notification. So they did send me another box. I'm going to unbox it with you guys. And yeah, this is the last one, okay? This is the last one. So, oh my goodness. She's yellow. It's more like a mustard yellow. On camera it looks more bright. Alrighty, so let's see what they sent us this month. I got a lot of emails from them. Oh, we're sorry you are leaving. What can we do to bring you back? Smells like perfume, maybe? Okay, I don't know how to read this, but it says likey, maybe? Happiness, good luck, fortune. You guys know how to read that? Oh, camera, please. We do have the info card again, which I'm not mad. Something smells like minty and fruity at the same time. Let's dig in. Wow, yeah, something smells hella good and I already know what it is. What, girl? Okay, I already told you they sent us some goodies, so I was right. I think this is what, indeed, this is what smells in the box. So I'm going to start with this Ritual of Melhr. Energize Your Soul Loving Body Cream. I do love this brand. Their products smell absolutely amazing, all of them. I don't think I got or I purchased a product from this brand that I didn't like or enjoyed the smell. I don't know what they are doing, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it smells like oranges, it smells so good. Ancient Persians celebrated Melhr, the sun, as the ultimate source of all life, and that's 100% true, because we wouldn't be here now if we wouldn't have the sun. Energize your soul in its radiant light and let it warm your heart with kindness and love. Wow. So, let's see what it says. I feel like it smells like oranges, but I might be wrong. So, it definitely has sweet orange cedarwood, which I feel like is so potent, it smells so good, and sunflower seed oil. And it says the quest for smoother looking skin just become that little bit easier. The buttery smooth formula boosts absorption and helps to provide the illusion of a more subtle airbrushed complexion. You know what, let me just apply this on my little hands because they are so dry. Since the cold season arrived, everything about me is so dry and crusty. I'm so annoyed. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This smells absolutely delicious. Moving on, I'm going to go with this little hair tie. Right? Oh, we have two hair ties. This is by the brand The Vintage. They sent this tweezers this year. I don't know when. But oh my goodness, they are so good. So this is the hair scrunches. Love is in the air. It says, add some sunshine to your life with this pair of perfect scrunches. Perfect for throwing your hair up in a ponytail or styling a ballet bun or top knot. These scrunches are the must-have essential for every woman's beauty bag. I do love scrunches. I feel like they don't damage your hair, and I love them. Moving on, I'm going to go with this one because it's heavy. Oh, this is, oh no, it's black. I thought it's like glass bottle. So this is by, what did we got from this brand? I don't know, but it's Ecooking. Very familiar. I know we got something from this brand before. So this is the normal to oily cleansing gel, rinse gel. What? Rinse gel? No, it says rinse gel. Gentle cleansing by the brand Ecooking. This powerful formula that is kind to skin helps to restore moisture to your epidermis. Combining a smooth mixture of aloe vera and vitamin A, this gel cleanses your pores from deep down, leaving your skin smoother and more refreshed. You bet I'm going to use this after I remove this makeup, because I'm not going with this much makeup on my face to work. No, they wouldn't recognize me. No. So it has aloe vera, vitamin A, and cucumber. I want to smell this. I don't know why, but I want to smell it. Okay, I can totally smell the cucumber. Okay, moving on. Oh, I'm going to go with this Filorga, and I still have some left from the last month, I guess. Oh yeah, they did send this Age Purify Intensive Serum, which is so good, but it doesn't mix well with my other skincare products. So it's like doing that peeling thing, you know what I mean? But this brand is so good. And now they sent the Oxygen Glow Creme Super Perfecting Radiance Cream. Okay, I wanna smell it. So this is more like a primer or like a illuminating cream. Wow, it smells good. This magical moisturizing face cream delivers an instant burst of hydration to your complexion. Used over a period of time, the long-term effects of this cream can enhance the overall appearance of your skin. It has hyaluronic acid and L-enzyme, whatever that means. We have 2 more products left, and I'm going to go with this little one. What? I think I spotted something that I already have. So, this is by the brand Dr. Botanicals, and this is the 2 mask. Turmeric Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. Wow, I love a good mask. So, it looks a little bit different right here. Mine is yellowish, and this one is white. It's the same, yeah. It says Superfood Restoring Treatment Mask. This ultra restorative mask helps protect against the effects of external aggressors by providing your skin with an antioxidant boost. Powered by a potent botanical ingredient, the creamy textured mask helps to plump the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles whilst brightening your complexion. We love that. We love that. It has turmeric root powder, lavender, and sea buckthorn. I think it has no scent, which I'm fine with it. Okay, and the last product we have in this October LookFantastic box is this Philips Kingsley Bond Builder Split and Remedy. No, I don't have this. I thought I have it because the one that I have, it also has this red line in here. So that's anti-freeze, I don't know, whatever. And this is the Bond Builder Split and Remedy. I just trimmed my hair a few days ago. I got that blunt cut. And you guys, I'm shedding so much. I think I'm gonna get bald in like January. You're gonna see me bald. I'm not even joking. I don't know where all the hair is coming off. Like, I don't even have that much hair. And also I'm starting to see my gray hairs again, which is crazy because I dyed my hair less than 2 months ago. These gray hairs are messing with my existence. I'm not loving that. Anyway, this is the perfect remedy for your split ends, shielding healthy hair against heat damage and UV rays. The lightweight formula revives your hair, leaving it more voluminous and healthy looking. We love that. Hello. Oh, their product smells so freaking good. And this one smells good as well. Oh wow, it smells nice. So yeah, there you have it, you guys. Please let me know if you are subscribed to Look Fantastic and if you guys got the same products as me, because you know I'm curious like that. I'm a little bit noisy too, because today I'm filming myself. You see this makeup? I filmed a makeup tutorial, so probably that's already up on my channel. I don't know, but check out my videos, my recent videos. So this is what we got. I feel like we got a lot of goodies this month. As I said in the beginning of the video, I had this feeling, you know, like I had the feeling they included some goodies this month. Even though I love makeup, we didn't got any makeup related product, but maybe the Scrunches has something to do with the makeup. No, I'm just kidding. Next year I'm going to get back to it, but for now I cannot afford it anymore because you know it's like 15 euros a month, but I need to save the money for my boob job. So that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.